produce whiskey, what we want to produce is maximum amount of flavors. And in order to do that, the minerals in water, they provide the perfect nutrient to the yeast for the job. So the reason why we decided on building distillery here in Komoro, because in 2020, when I was given the water analysis report, I noticed that the water here has a lot of mineral contents and also other trace elements. And these can be the perfect vitamins to our yeasts during fermentation. So I said to my partner, Koji, that this is the perfect spot for setting up a distillery. And also, I'm very grateful that all my colleagues, even though they are young and inexperienced, they are very willing to demonstrate their passion for whiskey, and also through their dedication and also obsession, and then to make sure that they do the same thing day in, day out without getting tired, and maintain the quality and consistency. That's very important for a whiskey, because we don't want the quality to fluctuate all the time. We need to make it very consistent, so that at the end of maturation, I can also have very good material to blend the whiskey, to create my recipe. And I think my aspiration for the future is that I was very fortunate to learn my craft from Dr. Jim Swan in the past for 12 years out of my 17 years at Kaplan. So similar to what I personally call the philosophical cycle of Shu, Ha, and Li. Once I complete the whole Shu, Ha, Li cycle, I would like to pass on my knowledge and skill to our future generation of distillers and blenders, so that they can continue to carry on the legacy and also to complete their own Shu, Ha, Li cycle. So that's why our logo has 3 circles, because it also represents Shu, Ha, Li, the 3 processes, but also the 3 ingredients of water, yeast, and malted barley. And when it comes to our company, I come from Taiwan. My partner Koji is from Japan, and Jim Swan was from Scotland. That's why this logo is actually in a way very meaningful. It represents eternity and also endless cycle of life. And we are producing the water of life. We want to make sure that the craftsmanship from Japan can be appreciated globally as part of our brand ethos of providing a luxury lifestyle and experience to consumers.